टीवी पर टीआरपी की जंग जोरों शोरों से चल रही है। हाल ही में कई नए शोज चालू हुए हैं और कई शोज में लाया गया है हाई टीआरपी पॉइंट। ऐसे में टीवी पर कबूल है कि टीआरपी के रेस में टफ कंपटीशन दे रही हैं मधुबाला, जिसमें भी चल रहा है शादी का ट्रैक। तो आइए असद यानी करण सिंह ग्रोवर से पूछते हैं कि नए फिक्शन शोज के साथ साथ हाल ही में लॉन्च हुआ रियलिटी शोज भी कैसे टीआरपी की रेस में लाएंगे एक नया ट्विस्ट।
No, that's true. The audience does get divided, and that's the whole game that we have to play and make sure that our scripts are strong enough so the audience doesn't leave the show and watch a reality show. Twist, so see, basically if the hero and the heroine meet at a point, then the story cannot be taken forward after that. That's the eventuality of all shows. Romeo and Juliet only meet in the end. So it will only happen in the end. Right now we're trying to at least try and make Asad confess what he feels to Zoya. But that's not happening at the moment because he's emotionally challenged. And only when it comes to his emotions, there are no words. Like you see, I'm at a loss of words right now. But it's not going to happen very soon. So hold on. It's every actor's responsibility to do their best at any given point so the audience does not break connect with them. That's what we do, and that's what our koshish is all the time. So I hope even if the love story doesn't go forward, there'll be other things that will be entertaining for the audience.
To watch more, subscribe to youtube.com/TeletalkIndia.